Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock the secrets to earning $10,000 a month selling life insurance? Stick around, because I'm about to share some insider tips that can supercharge your income and transform your career. First off, let's talk about the power of networking. Relationships are everything in this business. Get out there and attend local events, join professional organizations, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations. The more people you know, the more potential clients you have. Next, leverage social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Instagram are goldmines for finding leads. Share valuable content, engage with your followers, and position yourself as an expert in your field. Consistency is key here, folks. Show up regularly and keep your audience engaged. Now let's talk about product knowledge. You've got to know your stuff inside and out. Learn everything about the policies you're selling, the investment options and solutions you offer, and make sure you can explain them in simple terms. Clients appreciate when you can break down complex insurance jargon into something they can easily understand. Don't forget about follow-ups. After your initial meeting, make it a point to check in with your potential clients. A simple call or email can go a long way in closing a deal. Remember, persistence pays off. Another key strategy is to focus on referrals. Happy clients are your best marketers. Don't be shy about asking for referrals and make it easy for your clients to send people your way. A small thank you gift or a handwritten note can leave a lasting impression. And finally, invest in yourself. Whether it's through ongoing education, attending workshops, or hiring a coach, continuous improvement is crucial. The more skilled and knowledgeable you are, the more confidence you'll have in your sales pitch. So there you have it, folks. By networking, using social media, knowing your products, following up, asking for referrals, and investing in yourself, you can hit that $10,000 monthly income mark. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your sales soar. If you want to know the how to implement these strategies, click the Learn More button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.